Well, let's see about the old 69 here. I can't remember if they bolt to the... Well, we're up at the shop again, but we aren't working on the wrecker tonight, so we got to plow all this snow. She's drifted in pretty good, if you can see that. So we're going to spend most of the night plowing snow. Well, we ordered parts for the trailer, and we got some parts for the wrecker, but we'll have to work on that tomorrow because we got snow to plow. Well, it's a new day in the shop. We were plowing last night. We got most of it plowed, not all of it. It got kind of late, but today we're going to work in the shop. We're going to work on the wrecker. We did get the brakes ordered for the trailer. They should be here in time for us to get the trailer together. And I got some tie rod ends for the drag link on the wrecker. That's what's kind of loose and letting the front tires wobble a little bit. So we're going to take care of those. And we're going to do some other things on the wrecker. Later on today, we're probably going to have to fire up Big Bob and take a bale of hay into the horses. Maybe we'll finish plowing at that time. But for now, it's time to work on the wrecker. Since we got to replace both ends of the drag link, I think it'll be just as easy to take it all the way out. All right, we got it out now, but before we loosen it up and change the tie rod ends, we're gonna grab a tape measure. Even though the drag link doesn't affect the toe end, that's done at the tie rod. The drag link affects the steering wheel position and the steering box centering. So we wanna make sure we get that as close as we can. So, center to center is 43 3/4 inches. And then we're gonna mark the greaser or the stud, whichever way you want to do it, to make sure that we get them blocked correctly. Now the question is this the left hand or the right hand? Oh. Huh. Whichever one it is, it's awful tight. Oh. Looks like this is the left-hand threaded one. What was our measurement again? I should have wrote that down. 43 3/4. 43 3/4. A little floppy. Let's see. left. So this should be the one. Let's see. Yep, that's the left. Now we got to get our jam nut off of here. There we go. All right, that one's junk. Oh, I think we better put some Never Sees on. I know some people count threads. Some people measure from the nut to the end of the tie rod end threads. But no two parts are quite alike, so that's why I like to use the total length measurement. $43 3/4. Let's see. 43. We went in too far. There we go. That should be real close. On the other end. We got our grease zerk marked. Yeah, this one's pretty floppy too. Make sure that's the right one. And it is. We got to get the nut on there. Oh. This one's coming off by hand. Little Never Sees. Center to center. 3.5. There we go. Should be right there. Okay, put the grease zerks in. There, the grease zerks are in. We can put it back in the truck. Here's our cotter pin hole. There it is. A little bit more. Okay, the drag link's done, the steering, so where is that? You can cross those off, erase them, except for greasing the tie rod ends. You can do that. Yeah. I'm going to work on the brake lock next, make sure that that's working properly. Oh yes, I definitely want to go out and get a rear view mirror.
Yeah, you get to go outside and get that. That needs to get done.
Trudge through the snow?
Yep. It's gonna be up to your hips.
I know. We lubed up our cable for our brake lock. Seems to be working pretty good. We put a return spring on the other end. Okay, we can cross off, where is it? The brake lock. And you can cross off the wiper blades wherever they are. Well, I think it's time to take a break from working on the wrecker. We're gonna pull the plow truck out because we gotta move a bale in for the horses, and the forks are right here behind the plow truck. So we gotta move the plow truck out, and we'll fire up Big Bob, come over and get the forks, take a bale to the horses.
Red likes to sneak out. Oh, look! We got one!
While we were out there, we decided to grab some of the extra tires for the wrecker because we got to mount up a couple spares yet. Since it's still daylight out and the sun's out and it's actually not too bad out there, we're going to trudge out back and we're going to see if we can find a rear view mirror. Not one that glues on the windshield. I have some of those. I want to find one, if I can, that actually bolts to the roof. That way it might give you a little bit better camera view when we're doing from the driver's seat. Horses are happy with their bale. There's some crunchy snow under there. Yeah, maybe we can stay on top for a ways. Oh, now it's getting deep. Puppy dog's staying on top. Well, let's see about the old 69 here. I can't remember if they bolt to the roof. Oh yeah, it does. Huh, look at that. Okay, we'll see if that'll work in a square body. We held that up there to the roof, and I think that's going to work out really nice. So we'll take the bracket apart here so we can mark and drill our holes, put it together in the truck. I think it's going to work out really nice. Now let's see if the micrometer gets it centered. That looks pretty good.
all my years, I've never seen a rear view mirror like that.
Yeah, they're all glued to the windshield now. These are much more adjustable. Oh, that'll work out nice. Oh, that'll work out nice. Okay, we got the rear view mirror done. You can erase that one. And we found our power steering fluid leak. We have to go to the parts store to get the pressure hose between the pump and the Hydro Boost to fix that. And it's dinner time, so what do you think? Should we call it a night? All right, well, thanks for watching. We'll be back. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods or Sand Hollow.